one is Salesforce.
Yeah.
Now, with all the asset, there's two components. One is to manage the asset, right?
Yeah.
And one is for financial reason. You have to, look at the cost of that asset, depreciation, etc., which will need to be pushed into your finance software. So in this case, Workday is our finance application.
Workday. Okay. Yeah.
Workday. Now, discussion of having all the assets in Workday or maintaining all assets in Salesforce is not decided yet.
Right.
Our team came up with a high-level view
that
we'll have all the assets in Workday, like today we have it in Pronto.
Right.
And assets which are managed, which is like, field assets or any asset which goes through which needs maintenance on regular basis and reporting and depreciation over the period, we could actually make that asset available in Salesforce, because Salesforce will be used for field services. Anything we could push it to Salesforce and then manage it using work orders and whatever way, right?
Okay.
So somebody will raise the work order, they will attend to the job, they'll fix the job, there will be costs associated to it, and then we can push that cost into the finance system. Now, that was our high-level view.
Right. Okay.
Then I spoke to Scott the other day, and I said, look, we're going to go through the design phase where engineering team will work with the vendors and our team, and they will work out how the process will work in future. That's where it will be decided whether fixed asset register is source of truth is Workday or Salesforce, or it will be Workday,
Combine.
and that's where we need to go. Salesforce is only to manage the asset.
Right.
That will be decided. Is that answers the question?
Yeah, I think so. I think so we haven't decided yet what we're gonna go with, and so the thing is, with this spreadsheet, I think the problem that Scott wanted to solve is this spreadsheet is ineffective. Yeah, it's a list of unactioned items, and they just want to find out if there's a better system, how we can improve this system with what we currently have, I guess. So I guess, yeah.
So that's a different question, right?
Exactly.
So currently, this is operational issue, and
Yes.
we can only work with the capability we have within Pronto, nothing else. So I think that can be raised as a limitation if Pronto is not capable of it.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not the right person for Pronto, to be honest, because
Yes.
I think it would be best to speak to either Anthony who would know more.
Yeah, I think the question for you, HPE?
HPE is our what you call is a content manager.
Okay.
Yeah. So HPE has got workflows to manage assets, and those workflows were created some time back, and they never been changed. So you know how the asset provisioning and maintenance goes today.
Yeah.
Might not be ideal, which we know is not.
Okay.
But that process has to be defined by your team.
Right.
How they see assets life cycle will work in future. What we are planning is to move the workflow from HPE, move it into the Salesforce. That's our view. Salesforce, when we'll have the Salesforce, which is about at least 6 months away.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's our view. So HPE probably will become pretty much useless for asset maintenance, other than saving the documentation if we need to.
Yeah.
Or if we need to access the historical documents. So, till today, everyone says document in HPE. So all the historical data will still live in HPE.
Right. Okay. Will HPE solve this? This spreadsheet right here? Will
I don't know what the issue is. If you give me
okay.
example, then I can. So like I can see update pronto asset register and capitalize asset. Now that is nothing to do with HPE, like first action item there.
Yeah.
Now that is more about going to pronto, update the register. Probably this asset is either missing or not listed or not matching in the other systems. And then they're talking about capitalizing assets, so it probably lacks that depreciation schedule to it. It's more to do with, today the issue is you might see an asset in pronto, you probably won't see that asset in operational technology. You might not see that asset within DMS because the systems don't talk to each other.
Yeah.
And these issues gets logged, and then you need to investigate. So yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll do more. I was trying to talk to Tom, see if what feedback I might get from him, because he's more probably aware of this register as well.
Yeah, I think it's to me it sounds like this is an issue logged for something which is not there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thanks so much, Rakesh.
No problem, Patricia.
All right.
See you. Bye.
Bye.